To go live on Coverstar. So first of all, if you did have the feature, you would find it over here, and you'll find the live option right below these options like the mic, the speed options. But if not, just a short explanation on how the live feature does work. So the main reason you can't go live on Coverstar is because the feature is restricted and not available to everyone. Unlike platforms like TikTok, Coverstar will focus heavily on safety and moderation, especially for younger users. Since it's quite not that popular yet, I suppose, live streaming is limited to selected or eligible accounts only. This means even if you follow those pretty simple steps, the button simply won't appear unless your account qualifies. There's nothing you can do about it unless you are maybe popular enough. And another big factor is your account requirements. So with that, it's going to be on a testing rollout. Reports and users will say that live access may require high follower counts, as we already mentioned, and some users only get access during testing phases. Because of this, you won't be able to see the live option unless the feature itself will be rolled out to everyone. As of now, again, it's still restricted and only for specific chosen accounts. You can find these over here though, in the second option right beside the plus button. If you go ahead to the very top, you should be able to see creators that are currently going on live. And if there are, you'll notice that there are only a very few. So hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.